This is Andre Banks with my brother Damien Banks from Banks Credit Chat. And today we're going to focus on 3 different scores that you need to put your attention to. And it may seem a little controversial and you probably never heard these before. I'm pretty banking on it because one of the scores are actually pretty low. But with the age that we live in, things have changed dramatically. So the first score that if you've never had credit and you've had bad credit and you're trying to get to is first benchmark is to get is 585. Why 585? Because 585 will get you actually in a fucking car. That's unbelievable, but 585 will get you in a car.
What you call it?
Ass and seats.
Beautiful. You'll be driving.
You'll be driving. In addition, I've heard, and this is, again, I want to utilize this, and don't quote me on this, but I've heard that even some banks or some really FHA loans might even let you get a house. You could come up with a 3% down payment with a 585.
Now, don't go running around.
Don't go running around trying to do that.
Listen,
but
we've heard it.
We've heard it.
We're not trying it. We're not trying to keep you at that level. He's just telling you the basis of first base.
First base. So first goal is to get to 585. The next benchmark is a little bit higher, 620. Now, 620 will actually allows you to obtain some credit cards. And actually, they'll be at high interest rates, but it allows you to, at 620, it'll allow you to get a credit cards. They also allow you to, this is true, they will allow you to get a home. FHA loan will definitely give you in that process, and you'll be able to benefit that. So your next goal to get is 620. Now, everyone thinks the third goal will be, well, I want to get into the 800s. You should always strive for the highest amount you can get, but in this case, our third benchmark is 740. 740 will actually give you pristine prime rates in terms of getting credit. So let's say if the average is 5 to 6%, just using numbers here, just low numbers here, 740 will get you that prime rate of 5 or 6%. And that will go for even a person who has 800s. You almost, when you're at the 740, you're in a very good status, and that allows you to almost get the same benefits as someone being in close to over 800. I know it sounds crazy, but that's a very good status to get to.
That's the world we live in.
That's the world we live in now.
So it's obtainable.
It is obtainable. So focus on those 3 amounts. If you've never had credit, if you had a 400, your goal is to get to that 585 benchmark. Maybe you could be driving from that point. 620, it gets you into a home. 620 credit score. 740 allows you to get the prime best rates. So 585, 620, 740. I know you might have not heard that, and it sounds a little counterproductive from the old thought process, but we live in an age where money is credit, and credit makes up a big deal of what we do every day.
Absolutely. So
focus on those 3 benchmarks, and you'll be in a better place, especially for credit. So, if this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments, hit the like button, ring the bell for updates when we're coming out with new videos. And until our next video, we're out.